We're in Animal Kingdom.
Well, we aren't in yet.
Well, no, we're about to scan our magic bands, and then we're going to the safari. Last day, best day. And it's all shady out. Yeah. We're about to get on the safari. About to get on the safari. Our favorite.
My name is Justin, and I will be your guide today on the Surrounding Wildlife Reserve. Now, I am going to ask you prior to entering the reserve to refrain from whistling at the animals, calling them, beckoning them in any way. I know you're just trying to get their attention. Now, on the right-hand side, friends, that's an okapi. A lot of people think the okapi is related to the zebra because it's got those white stripes on its rear end. But it's not related to the zebra. It's related to the giraffe. It's got the same bone structure and the same kind of tongue that a giraffe has. Bongo. Yay. Bongo are known as the ghost of the forest. That's because of how well they camouflage and how difficult they can be found.
Maddie Land loves the hippo, so if we see him, this is for you, Maddie Land.
There's a Nile hippopotamus.
This one's for you, Maddie Land.
5,500 pounds apiece. They can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes at a time. A group of hippos is called a bloat. A bloat of hippos. Friends, if you look to your left, trees are also known as the tree of life.
You can't just move them.
That's because of how much water it can store in its trunk.
It looks really good.
So much so that during times of extreme drought.
Look at all the giraffes.
To your left over here, because these are African wild dog, which are also called the painted dog. They are one of the most efficient predators in the world. That's the African wild dog, or the painted dog, would become incredibly sunburnt.
Hey, cutie.
And friends, if you've never imagined how uncomfortable having a sunburned tongue would be, well, you are now.
Baby, look at the baby.
Some giraffe calves over here as well, friends.
Oh, so cute. He's eating.
That's fun. That's the private tour too, so they can just chill. They paid extra money.
They paid like $300. Look at that little baby right there. Mm-hmm. Do they have names for him?
You can tell African elephants apart from Asian elephants by the size of their ears. African elephants have a significantly larger ear. Now, unfortunately, friends, elephant population...
There he is. They're fighting. They're waving their... Oh. They said we have an audience.
Alright, friends. Alright, friends. Well, there's a cheetah right here on the rocks to your left. Cheetahs are the fastest animal on land. They can go from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds flat. They can't hold that speed for very long, though, only for a few hundred yards. Now, a group of cheetah is called a coalition. Coalition of cheetah. And actually, look up this little hill to your right. There's some white rhinos. Yay. White rhinos are the larger of the two types of rhino. They weigh up to 5,000 pounds apiece. In Animal Kingdom, we're kind of in the middle of a lion celebration, with lion conservation being our primary focus. Now, Disney's goal is to help double the lion population by 2050. There's a male lion on the rock, and then the female right up above his head, so multiple lions. Now, friends, let me put that in perspective for you, okay? There's going to be more people that ride Kilimanjaro safaris today, and today alone, than there are lions left in the world.
Oh, she's rolling around.
Now the initiative is called Protect the Pride, and if you go online and search for Disney's Protect the Pride, there's a lot more information about lion conservation, about how Disney has been getting involved, and about how you at home can get involved as well.
There's 3 of them.
Again, that's Protect the Pride.
Protect the pride.
They're so cute. I love them.
On your right hand side, that's a waterbuck. Waterbuck are a type of antelope. They don't migrate though like most other antelope.
I love him.
They can't really go without drinking.
Hehe.
Very, very, very close to this side of the road. One step from being in the road. This is a Bontabak. I'm gonna go very slowly and get it working.
Thanks.
Now they're still extinct out in the wild. They only live on reserves and in other protected areas. However, today they number in the thousands. They've got one of the biggest recoveries out there, and it's all because that one farmer decided to act. Now, friends, that's what I find most amazing about it. Now, this is an ostrich. Ostrich are the largest bird in the world. They are completely flightless, but they can run up to 40 miles an hour.
That's so fast.
Big bird.
I would not want him chasing me.
Oh yeah?
And get wet so the Everest wait isn't so bad. Woohoo! It's only a 15-minute wait, so that's probably more like walk on. Monkey habitat. No active monkeys yet. Yeah, but he's not active.
Once you board, your larger travel gear
My turn.
your feet on the floor of the train.
I gotta be me doing it.
Okay.
We thank you for choosing Himalayan Escapes for all your training needs and good luck on your expedition.
Weak. Come on, hurry. Woo. Oh, you nailed it. That French tip, she said it was very good.
Hi, Kevin. So cute.
We check out early, but we're gonna go to Disney 3.
Some glazed nuts. And I got this funky little hat because I needed some shade for my face because I felt like I was getting a lot of sun on my face. So now I got this and I'm feeling good. And I feel like a little safari girl. And Ben went to get a slushie and he's coming back. So Ben got a slushie and he's enjoying it. Got him by the top. Oh. Line for the riverboat. I've never done this one, and neither has Ben, so we're excited. The queue is very pretty. Like, I mean, the other one's pretty too, but this one's really nice. I've got all the fans blowing. Super good. And it's only 60 minutes, so we're doing it. So excited to ride this. That was really cool.
Very.
So now we're going to get lunch at the little canteen because we don't have a fast pass till 3:45. So we're going to get lunch at the little canteen and just take a little break. Woohoo! We got lunch at this Tuli canteen.
Very good.
We got kind of the same thing. He just got a different sauce. I got the beef and the noodles with the vinaigrette on the side, and he got it on the creamy herb on it. And we got a Pandoran sunrise, and it is delicious. Woohoo! It's really, 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 really good. So now we're gonna walk back over and go wait for the Festival of the Lion King show. And watch that because that's my favorite. We're coming back over here later tonight. So we have a fast pass flight of passage right before the park closes. So we've done pretty much everything except Dino Land. So we're just gonna take our time for the rest of the day.
Put it in the bin.
Lion King show. We made it just in time. Did the Lion King show. It was fun. Then I needed a break to just kind of sit down and chill because my head was hurting.
Do your midday blues.
Shut up. So now we just use our fast pass Well, Cali River Rapids, and we're about to do it and get soaked all over again. Oh my god. Little lizard.
Nature.
Skink. You having a good day, Ben?
Huh? Yeah.
Best day. Best park. After the river rapids, I just tore up this corn and we're gonna do the safari again. Yay! Safari time again. He looks so dumb. So it's been a while since I last updated. We did the safari and we waited forever one time and we had such a good time that we literally immediately got back in line. And yeah. Did you see that?
Yeah, that's
He's waved. Good times. You having a good time? What time is it?
party time. Yeti time, baby.
Disco Yeti. Vlog. We did Everest again, and now we're gonna do dinosaur. We did dinosaur, and for like a dinner snacky thing, I got the spring roll pineapple cream cheese. I'll see if it's good. And then we got a little night blossom, and Ben's getting a cheeseburger pod for us to split. The flight of passage, our favorite flight. We just did flight of passage, and we're catching the second to last safari of the night. We sprinted all the way from Pandora to here. My legs are tired, and I'm sweating.
You want to be on, so.